This is a wire-free finger robot. A lazy man's switch tool, can be controlled by remote control. (360-degree free rotation angle). Type-C charging port. No need to change the circuit. Easy and convenient to install. No need to connect to the internet. Can be controlled manually. Can be controlled remotely. Comes with 3M double-sided tape. Stick it where you need it. The following is a tutorial on pairing the remote control. Press and hold the middle touch button of the device for 3 seconds. The indicator light flashes once. Then click the button of the remote control to be paired. The indicator light flashes. Indicates successful pairing. The following is a tutorial on how to clear the remote control code. Press and hold the middle touch button of the device for 10 seconds. The indicator light flashes 3 times. Indicates that the code clearing is successful. The remote control is now invalid. Not suitable for touch screens and unconventional switches. 2 lever arms can adapt to more application scenarios. Testing is required before use. Choose the appropriate lever arm according to the actual situation. The bending lever arm is generally the concave side switch. If it is not suitable, you can also try the convex side switch. These are 2 different types of panel switches. One is surface mounted. One is embedded in the wall. Embedded means the box is buried in the wall. Surface mounted means the box is exposed on the wall. So surface mounted is much higher than embedded mounted. The following demonstrates the installation methods of 2 switches. This is a surface mounted wall switch. Let's show you how to install it. There is a gap under the panel. It allows us to insert the blade and then pry open the panel. The finger robot uses this edge to fit the gap. It won't fit in originally. Loosen the screws first. Allow the panel to move slightly. Find the gap where it fits. Reinstall the panel correctly. It can be moved like this. Install the arm on the finger robot. Squeeze in the loose edge. Adjust to the middle position. Test it. Manual control. Remote control. Supports a variety of 433 MHz RF remote controls. For some switches embedded in the wall. if the force arm cannot reach the switch. Then we can open the bottom cover of the finger robot. Then switch the side with the clamping edge to the other side. So that there is no clamping edge under the force arm. This will make the finger robot fit the switch more closely. The force arm can also control the switch. This is a light switch for an embedded switch panel. The bottom cover has been turned over, and the protruding edge is on the different side of the force arm. The finger robot fits the switch very well. Test the approximate position before installation. Manually test the effect and make fine adjustments. After determining the position, take out the included 3M adhesive and stick it to the test position. In order to make the paste more secure, you can clean the dust on the wall. Installation completed. Manual test. Remote control test. You can also pair with other remote controls. First, determine the installation location. Press the device firmly. Remote control test.